Hey everybody, you know that old saying, a picture is worth 1,000 words? I'm betting when they came up with that, they had no idea that we'd be communicating on social media, and in doing so, we'd have something called emojis. So in this post, we're going to jump over here to schedule post, check out our social media calendar, and we're going to come over here to the top right-hand corner and click new post. We'll toggle off our scheduled post, and we're going to create a new post for social media. But we're not going to use our words. We're going to come down here to this smiley face icon and use our emojis. In this case, I'm going to create an emoji riddle. Now I'm betting you already solved it, but just in case you haven't, 3, 2, 1. The lion sleeps tonight. You can of course add these emojis to any sentences you decide to write, as well as add media if you're so inclined by clicking the plus button here. Once you're done, you can save your draft, schedule your post, or publish it right away to whichever social media account you'd like. And there you have it. Quick and easy ways to add emojis to your captions using the post editor. For more tips and tricks on how to keep your social media fun and engaging using Simplified, sign up at simplified.com. See you there.